Hey everyone, today I will show you Telegram downloaded media files not showing, and here's how it is done. Ensure your Telegram app is up to date. Open the Play Store, search for Telegram, and make sure you are using the latest version of the app. Adjust app settings. Go to Settings on your device, tap on Apps or Manage Apps, and select Telegram. In the Telegram settings, find Clear Cache under the Storage option and tap to clear it. This will refresh the app storage without affecting your messages. Check data restrictions. Go to data usage settings within the Telegram app details. Temporarily turn off data restrictions. Wait a few seconds, then turn them back on. Test file download. Open Telegram and try downloading a file to check if the issue is resolved. To confirm, open File Manager on your device, search for Telegram, and ensure your downloaded files appear here. And that is everything you need to know about Telegram downloaded media files not showing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.